Say hello to the color orange, the color orange, the color orange. Say hello to the color orange, it's a happy color. A basketball is orange, orange, orange.
Carrots are orange?
Pumpkins are orange.
I am an orange, round and round, round and round, round and round. I am an orange, round and round. The children like to eat me. I am an orange, sweet and sour, sweet and sour, sweet and sour. I am an orange, sweet and sour. The children.
Can you name some of them? Yes. Orange. Yes, orange fruit. Then some fruits, vegetables, flowers and objects which are orange in color. Which vegetable will be in orange? Pumpkin. Carrot. Yes. Yes, goldfish. Fire. Right. It is also orange in color, which has very rich in vitamin C. Okay, it has citric acid in it, and orange is round in shape, and it is grown on tree. On which it is grown? On tree. If you want to eat orange, first what you have to do is you have to peel the skin. Inside pulp will be there. Either you can eat it directly, or you can make the juice with the help of what? Mixer grinder. Yes, Mama will make juice for you all. You have to drink orange juice. It is a immunity booster. Orange juice will fight against germs, and it will make us strong, fit and healthy. he must be in the park doing exercise. Mr. Orange is missing. Oh, it's Strawberry. Miss Strawberry said he must be doing exercise. Happy Orange Day, children.
Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Carrot Carnival can't be beat. Carrots jumping, carrots sing. Fun for everyone they bring. Wave goodbye, say hooray. Carrot Carnival saves the day. Oh, dance, dance, carrots play. Hopping, spinning all the way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Carrot Carnival can't be beat.